Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Installing PyTorch with CUDA support involves a few steps, including the installation of CUDA toolkit and cuDNN library. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to install PyTorch with CUDA 11.2 on a Linux system. Note that the steps might vary slightly depending on your system configuration. Ensure that you have the appropriate NVIDIA GPU drivers installed. You can download and install the drivers from the NVIDIA website, NVIDIA Drivers. Visit the NVIDIA CUDA Toolkit download page, CUDA Toolkit Archive. Select the version 11.2 and download the local installer for your system. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Download the cuDNN library from the NVIDIA website, cuDNN download. Make sure to select a version compatible with CUDA 11.2. You can install PyTorch with CUDA support using pip. Ensure you have a compatible version of pip installed. This command installs PyTorch version 1.10.0 with CUDA 11.2 support. Make sure to check for the latest version on the PyTorch website and adjust the version accordingly. You can verify the PyTorch installation by opening a Python interpreter and importing PyTorch. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the PyTorch version and true for CUDA availability. That's it. You've successfully installed PyTorch with CUDA 11.2 support on your system. Make sure to adjust the versions in the commands based on the latest releases. ChatGPT. Certainly. Installing PyTorch with CUDA 11.2 involves a few steps, including installing the necessary dependencies and configuring your environment. Below is a step-by-step tutorial with code examples to guide you through the process. Step 1. Check your GPU compatibility. Before installing PyTorch with CUDA support, make sure your GPU is compatible with CUDA 11.2. You can check the CUDA compatibility of your GPU on the NVIDIA website. Step 2. Install NVIDIA GPU drivers. Ensure that you have the latest NVIDIA GPU drivers installed. You can download them from the official NVIDIA website or use your package manager for Linux distributions. Step 3. Install CUDA Toolkit 11.2. Download and install the CUDA Toolkit 11.2 from the NVIDIA website. Follow the installation instructions provided for your operating system. For Linux, you can use the following commands. During installation, you may need to update your system environment variables. Follow the on-screen instructions. Step 4. Install cuDNN library. Download the cuDNN library from the NVIDIA website, requires an account. Follow the installation instructions provided. Ensure that you add the cuDNN directory to your system's path. Step 5. Create a virtual environment, optional. It is recommended to create a virtual environment to isolate your PyTorch installation. Use the following commands. Step 6. Install PyTorch with CUDA 11.2. Now, install PyTorch with CUDA support. Use the following pip command. Replace the versions with the latest ones if available. Step 7. Verify installation. After the installation is complete, verify that PyTorch is using CUDA by running the following Python code. If everything is set up correctly, you should see true for torch.cuda.is_available, and information about your GPU. That's it. You have successfully installed PyTorch with CUDA 11.2 support. Now you can leverage the power of your GPU for accelerated deep learning computations. ChatGPT.